Uh, we'll start the session. Good. So online team, can you hear me? So let us start the session. I just need a quick response. Can you hear me? Good. Thank you. Then let us start. And today we are going to see the algorithm which is called as a XCBoost actually. 17. Yeah. XCBoost. Yeah, this was the running topic. Now let us continue. All right. Sir, first of all, you guys need to understand what is XCBoost. These are all things. I hope yesterday I have given introduction actually. XCBoost stands for extreme gradient boosting. It is also one of the algorithm. Please remember that one. But let me tell you, it is kind of some advanced algorithm compared to normal algorithm. It is a decision based, and remember one thing, it is a ensemble technique. What technique, sir? Ensemble technique. Ensemble technique means what exactly happens, Simple. A group of models work together to get the result. Repeating again, a group of models work together. What exactly? To get the result actually. And it combines the prediction from the two or more models so that it can get the better performance. And XGBoost, the execution speed is a super fast. Compared to other algorithms, it is a super fast. And next one is a model performance. So remember one thing, wherever ensemble technique is available, no doubt at all, the performance will be good. Why? Because here, why any idea? Group of models are involving. What is involving? It's not like a single model. Good. And I hope, did you install this one? XGBoost library you have to install. Now this is the so-and-so data set. The data set name is called as a PIMA, Indian-diabetes dataset CSV file actually. Let me just try to load this dataset. The dataset purpose will be, we are going to load the dataset. I hope you are going to get a data frame actually. Not a data frame. I'm sorry. Today I will show you one thing. On an average, total 8 features would you have? How many features, boss? These are all 8 features, 1 to 8 actually. And these features, by using this one, and we can do prediction, either so-and-so patient having the diabetes or not actually. Right, good. We'll see. Sir, first time look at my screen. Till now, if I have given CSV file, all you guys are habituated to load by using pandas. To load by using what exactly? Pandas. That is a straight approach actually. Second alternative approach also please understand. In a NumPy, there is a function. Function name is called as a load txt. What is the function name? Load txt. You can call that function, provide the CSV file, and I will tell you delimiter equals to what exactly? Comma. Then what exactly happens, sir? Read underscore CSV function returns data frame. Read underscore CSV function returns what exactly? Data frame. But load txt file returns array. Load txt file returns what exactly? Array actually. First of all, let me open this file. We'll see. Online team, I hope you guys are able to hear. XGBoost will run super fast. Let me pull the data. Let me pull the data set. All files. This data set is available where it is available, Yeah, hold on. Go back and here you need to search Jason Brownlee is one of the best author for the data science actually. Datasets master. Uh, Paima Indian. Yeah, this is the dataset. Let me pull this one. So we need to get a CSV file. Let me capture this. Please look at my screen. You have to remind me. I need to upload this dataset actually. Good. First of all, let me open the file, sir. Let me open the file. You need to understand one thing. What is that one, First of all, what you noticed, any idea? I have opened the dataset. What you have noticed actually? First of all, there is no header. Did you understand? There is no what exactly? Header actually. Okay, there is no header. Then if there is no header, you can create a array. You can create what exactly? Array actually. That is fine. Even though header is not important and you can load actually. Let me ask you a question. The same thing if I'm loading by using pandas. The same file if I'm loading by using what exactly? Pandas. Any guessing what happens? Good. Let me tell you. First of all, let me show you. Let me load this file. Let me just try to load this file by using pandas. You can see what exactly happens. Currently preparing generative AI, sir. Material. Seriously awesome. I'm sure you will get the best material. The updated material I'm going to prepare actually. Come on, let's move on. Import pandas as PD. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Let me just try to capture the name of the file. And here, let me just try to take that name of the file. I'm sorry, let me just try to load this .csv and let me just try to print this df. Save this example, demo1.py. Go to the desktop and programs and click on save. Now you can run this. Now look at my screen, everyone. There is a CSV file. That CSV file having no header actually. If a CSV file having no header, please remember this one. If you are using by using pandas actually, what exactly happen? First row will be considered like a row. First row will be considered like a header. First row will be considered like what exactly? Header. Did you understand? Important interview discussion actually. Right, good. Let me open one more time. There is a CSV file. The CSV file having no header. You may ask a question, Daniel, is it possible in real time? Possible sometimes. If there is no header, we need to ask the client, can you please do let me know? Definitely there is a technical KT, domain KT. You have to ask a question, do let me know what is the first column value, second column value, third column value. Sir, according to the documentation, what is the first column values? Tell me what is the first one? Number of times carried. I mean to say that how many times pregnant. The next one is, you can just try to check this one. Next one is what exactly? Glucose. Next one is what exactly? BP. Can I ask a question? There is no, I mean, CSV file having no header. Can we add a name of the columns actually? Yes, we can add. Nothing is wrong in that. You do one thing, load the file. I hope you know how to add a columns actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, then you can follow the same process actually. Good. Keep in mind that if there is no columns, so the point, if there is no header for CSV file, then pandas will consider first row as a talk with me, sir. Header. Keep in mind that point you need to understand. Important discussion. Good. I hope we have loaded this one. But let's do one thing. Instead of using pandas actually, if anyone came just now, this point we have to focus, sir. Now there is a CSV file. This CSV file I'm trying to loading not by using pandas. I'm trying to loading not by using pandas. I'm trying to loading by using a numpy. There is a function name is called as a load to txt actually. Yes, you can provide this one, name of the file, comma, delimiter. I mean to say that tell me the separator. Though this is the CSV file, all values are separated with what exactly, sir? Comma. Yeah, good. So delimiter, separator, one more name actually. Good. Now, whenever you're calling this function, we need to assign to a variable. Then it itself is returning what exactly, sir? Array. What it is returning? Array. Let me load this one. Let me try this. Hold on. Let me just try to print. Purpose. We are just trying to understanding XC boost actually. XGBoost algorithm and print. The next line will be importing the libraries. I would like to say step number one, importing the libraries. Step number one. Importing libraries. Step number two, loading the data set. Step number two, loading the data set. Loading the data set. And we are just trying to printing the data set. Good. Let me just try this one, sir. Uh, just try to import numpy. Very good. We have imported actually. And let us just try to use the function. Let us just try to use what exactly the function. Now you can just try to come here. So there are two parameters, right? You can just try to separate like this. This is really good practice. Data set. I cannot say this is the DF. It is a array. It is what exactly, sir? Array. Are you ready? Can I run this example? Come on, let me run. Yeah, we have loaded successfully. What is this one? Array. Very nice. Let's move on. Take this example. Now the next one. Come on. What exactly happening here? Any idea? Data preparation. What is this one? Data preparation. So please observe here. Data set of 0 to 8 we are accessing, and the last column we are trying to accessing. Let me just try to access this one. Data preparation. We are just trying to doing data preparation. Step number 3, data preparation. Features and target. Let me load this. Yeah, data preparation also done. Good. Yeah. Now the next one. Any idea? Next step is splitting the data set, sir. Come on, these are all we know very well already. Nothing is there. Just the model, how it is working, you should understand. Apart from that, nothing. Splitting the data set. All right. Now let me just try to load this row. Come on. Test size is not defined. What happened? Array boss. Create a variable equals to 0.2. Otherwise, here you can hard code. Maybe I have created a variable something like this. It is okay. So random size equals to the name of the variable. You can provide any variable actually. Let me run this. Come on, get ready. Read everyone, all points actually. Importing libraries. Next one is loading the data set. Next one, data preparation. Sorry, man. One small important discussion. What is that one? Anyway, that point I can cover. Can somebody read everyone? What is the second step actually? Loading the data set. Sir, let me tell you. When I say data set actually, assuming that CSV file, what file actually? CSV file. Sir, this file, if it is available in your LOC, I mean LOC in the sense local, then you can directly load actually. This file still it can be available in AWS also. I mean, assuming that AWS is a separate cloud environment actually, that file can be stored in what exactly? AWS. Especially there is a topic, the topic name is called as S3 bucket actually. What is that one? S3 bucket. Yes, of course. If the file is available in S3 bucket, still we can load, sir. We can load actually. We can what exactly? Load. What we need to do is now specific library we need to use. The specific library we need to use. That library name is called as a Boto3. What is that library name? Boto3. Simple. We have to import that function. We have to install this Boto3. You can Google it actually, automatically you will get an example. There are some configurations we need to do. Just there is a function we need to call. Trust me, if you are calling that function, it returns data frame. It returns what exactly? Data frame, right? If you want, go back. You can just try to Google it actually. Always Python. How to access CSV file in S3 bucket. S3 bucket actually in Python. Always look at for what exactly, sir? Python example. I like to search in a Stack Overflow example. You can just try to see how to read CSV file from S3 bucket actually. Just try to see. There are some properties we need to provide. There are just some properties we need to provide. This is the exact example. This is the exact example, sir. Look at my screen. Ultimately, these are all code actually, a kind of some properties we need to provide. Boto 3 libraries we need to install. Can somebody talk with me at last what it is returning? Data frame. Keep in mind that, right? Hey, Daniel, I don't know this one. Is it any serious problem? No, not at all serious problem. Even I don't know AWS actually. But remember one thing, if you know Python, there is a solution for everything. Conclusion of the story, why I'm telling these are all things, your data set can be anywhere. It can be available in local, it can be available in AWS, it can be available in something like a GPS actually, Google Cloud system, Google Cloud actually, Google Cloud. The next one is it can be available in database actually. It can be available in where exactly? Database. This I'm going to cover. MySQL, this I'm going to cover. So did you understand? No limitation. Your file can be available in any location. Any location. Good. Hope you understand. Let's move on. If you want, I can copy this link. You can just try to follow this if you are looking for this. Otherwise, it is okay. You can ignore. How to access CSV file from Boto 3. Yeah, all right. Let's move on. Yeah, good, good. So I hope we are in the step of what exactly? Importing the libraries, loading the dataset, data preparation, splitting the dataset. Tell me what is the next step? Nice, we'll see. So model creation here. Talk with me, sir. What is the class name? Yeah, XCB classifier. XCB what exactly? Classifier. XCBoost is a package name. We are just trying to importing that. Yeah, good. Now get ready. Model creation. The next step is a model creation actually. Step number 5. Step number 5, model creation. We are creating the model. Now let me just try to create that. Simple, man. Now run this example. Done. Yeah, model creation also done. Next step is a model training. I hope you know these are all steps actually. Move on to the next one. Model training. Sir, if I want, I can give in all things in one example actually. But don't think like I'm making you lagging. I'm trying to understanding you the stepwise actually, please. Now this one is model training. This one is what exactly? Model training. Let me just try to write steps. These are all steps will literally helps you actually. Step number 6, model training. Assuming that if I didn't install this package, what is error? Good, man. Very good. I will scare if you guys didn't reply. Take this one. Okay. So the next one is a prediction. Next one is what exactly? Prediction. So get ready. Get ready. We are going to do what exactly, sir? Prediction. Simple. What do you mean by prediction? Just try to come here. Just try to open this data set actually. What you need to provide, boss? From starting this value to this value, almost 8 values you need to provide. What we need to provide? 8 values. Then our model will tell either so and so person having diabetes or what exactly not. Did you understand? Let me just try to do the prediction. If you want, you can check the model score also. Come here and you can just try to prediction. Step number 7, prediction. Model dot predict method, and here you can provide like this. Let me just try to copy paste the first, all first values actually. I hope you're getting, sir, why I'm providing these are all, because these are all features with what you trained actually that you need to provide. Are you getting? Now let us just try to run this one. What is the result? Perfect. Even here also result is what exactly? One only. Conclusion of the story. Assuming that. Let me take the second one. Let me take what exactly? Second one. There was a patient. That patient came to hospital. Patient is telling, I'm having fever. Then nurse, what she is doing, do let me know, provide how many times, I mean to say that how many times the pregnancy? One time. What is 85 value? Glucose. What is 85 value? Glucose value actually. Then nurse is supposed to calculate these are all things. Here onwards, trust me, previously a doctor is required. Previously all these parameters, what doctors will do actually? They will take all reports and they will look like this actually, and we are feeling tension. But end of the day they will tell nothing happen actually. But here onwards, this model is enough actually. I mean, a doctor is not required. Provide all values actually according to the report. This model will tell directly diabetes or not. Conclusion of the story, nowadays models are helping to the doctors in a healthcare domain. Just even best example, sir, doctor also not required, frankly, not required in the sense to identify diabetes or not actually. Right, good. Please don't misunderstand. Let us move on. These models are, machine learning is helping, data science AI is helping in every domain. Every domain it is helping actually. All right. So kindly please walk through. So the next one is model prediction. We are doing prediction for, I hope X test. I hope X test we are using for what exactly? Prediction. But a single prediction I done. But X test means what exactly? A group of values you are doing prediction in one shot actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good, you can do this example. Next one, check model accuracy. Check model what exactly, sir? Accuracy. Very good. So there is a one function. That function name is called as a accuracy underscore score. What is the function name? Accuracy underscore score actually. And here you need to provide y test value. What you need to provide? Y test value. Next one is a prediction. Prediction means model dot prediction. Then definitely this step is required, sir. Step number 8. First of all, did you copy this? Yeah, I done actually. Let me just try to take the next step. Step number 8, get the score. Something like a checking the accuracy. Model accuracy. Let us check the model accuracy. How much score it is giving. There are different ways you can call directly the score also, score method also. But here, accuracy underscore score actually, where it is available, any idea? Scalar matrix. Where it is available? Scalar matrix actually. This you need to import first. Now call that function. Before calling that function, get ready. You need a prediction values and you need what exactly? Y test value. Anyway, Y test is already available with us. Y test is already available with us. Then let us just try to get the prediction value, sir. Prediction value. How to get the prediction values? Here you need to provide X test actually. Let me ask a question. Conclusion of the story, it is returning 4 parameters. How many parameters? 4 parameters. Anyway, X train, Y train we are using for training purpose. What purpose? Training purpose. Then next one is for the checking purpose, checking the score, you need to use what exactly? X test and Y test. That's what I'm doing. Model accuracy 75% means average model, sir. The model is average actually. Yeah, all the steps are done. Very good. So I hope you understand this. If you want, you can comment this actually. Good man. During preparing the material, I got a 75. How much actually? 74. But today, how much I got it actually? 72. More to the next discussion. Next one is label encoding. What is the next one? Label encoding. And till now, what we done, that is a bit important. And this is the next example. This is the next example. Please, I need your focus actually. Please follow this one. Sir, let me show you one data set, especially Bhupesh. Did you join the session? Bhupesh, I need a response. 2 days back, you texted me. Today, you can get the answer actually. Right? I didn't answer. Why? Because you will understand today. All right. Please move to the discussion. Sir, I never forget. If anyone texted me, I have a good memory actually. Good. Let's move on. What is the topic name? Topic name is what exactly? Label encoding. We'll see. What do you mean by this label encoding? These are all things we'll see. First of all, I hope you already know iris flower data set. No, no, come on, come on. So don't think like, you already know this data set actually. Now, let me tell you. Can somebody talk with me? What are all public data sets actually, sir? Public data sets actually. The first one is a Titanic. First one is what exactly? Titanic. And this data set is already coming from where? sklearn. You know what? If you want, we come again. Seaborn actually. It is okay. Seaborn. Fine, right? Seaborn. If you want, we can download from Kaggle also. I mean to say that by default, the CSV file also we do have actually. By default, the CSV file also what exactly we do have. Are you getting? Now let me tell you. What is the next data set? Iris. What is the next data set? It is available in where exactly? sklearn. Very good. Now if you want, we can download. We can what exactly, sir? Download from Kaggle or internet. From Kaggle or what exactly? Internet. When I say internet, GitHub actually. GitHub. All these files are available in GitHub. GitHub is a kind of some repo actually. So the dataset name is a iris.csv. The dataset name is what exactly? It can be iris.csv, iris.data, anything. Now today we are trying to loading the physical file. Today we are trying to loading what exactly? Physical file. Such an interesting topic. Look at my screen. I hope you no need to explain about these are all stuff, iris flower, so and so thing. So the iris flower classification problem is an example of problem that has a string class value. XGBoost cannot model this problem because output variables are string. Now let me show you the dataset. What is the dataset name? Iris.csv. Let me pull the dataset, sir. Iris.csv. You have to remind me. I need to upload this dataset actually. Let me pull another dataset also. Data sets. Iris. Yeah, here we do have get this one. A long back I have downloaded actually. Now, good sir. Can I do one thing? If you spare 1 or 2 minutes, I request you. Why? Because this folder I didn't create it, sir. Only team, hold on, please. XGBoost. Thank you. Let's move on. Good one, sir. So let me open the Iris dataset. You have to tell me what is the difference, man. What you are observing actually. Tell me what is the difference. Any idea? Come again. Very good. First point, no header actually. Very good. Any other point? Yeah, that point you have to understand actually. First of all, no header. First of all, what exactly? No header actually. That is okay. But if you are using pandas, if there is no header, what is the problem? First row, it will consider like a header actually. But is it good practice? No, that is not a good practice. Remember one thing. The next one will be target variable. Till now, though previously we have downloaded, we are getting a kind of some predefined data set actually. There is a target value. The target value is a numerical value. We worked actually. But sometimes if the target variable is the categorical variable, Bhupesh, listen carefully. If the target variable is the categorical variable, understand this scenario. How to handle you will understand very clearly. Are you getting everyone? Good. Let me tell you. First of all, let us just try to load this data set, man. I hope I no need to delete these are all stuff, but I need initial steps. Let me keep out actually. Yeah, yeah, XGBoost only. I don't want these are all, and even this one also let me delete. And let me just try to import pandas as a, let us just try to use pandas. Now df equals to, look at the step actually. Data equals to read underscore CSV. We are trying to loading a CSV file. First of all, do you have any header? No. First of all, without this one, just my favorite syntax. What is that one? Yeah, good. Now you can just try to come here. PD dot read underscore CSV. And here you can provide iris dot CSV. Let me just try to load this one, boss. Please. Yeah. First column, I'm sorry. First row, it is considered like what exactly? Header. But is it good practice? No. Then what we need to do, just try to come here. We need to tell to this read underscore, there is no problem with the read underscore CSV, but we need to tell, hey function, please don't consider first row as a header. First row is what exactly? Header. Then indirectly you need to tell this file having no header. To tell that one, header equals to what exactly? None you need to tell. Header equals to what exactly? None. Then while loading the CSV file, this function will sense that, okay, this file has no header, right? Now your answer is right. Previously somebody told one answer, right? What is that answer, sir? Now if there is no header actually, talk with me. By default, it will be provide 0, 1, 2, 3, something like this. Am I right or not, sir? Good, very good. Are you with me? Good. Let me just try to take this example. Take this example. You can just try to add here. Yeah, yeah. Sir, I can take two examples, please. And the first example, I will not delete this one. I will not make it anything actually. Then you will understand. Are you getting your one? Good. One more recent important interview question. What is the recent important interview question? There was student, he texted me. Take this copy file and let me just try to give this file name as a dummy actually. Dummy. The file name is what exactly? Dummy. And open this one. Sir, delete all values. Delete what exactly? All values. I mean, there is a CSV file. Inside that CSV file, no data. Sometimes possible. There is a CSV file. Best example, sir. All you guys are before joining the course actually. For you guys, the file is ready. Students information. Before you guys are joining for the first today, no information. Then can I say the file is empty actually? Now let us just try to load this one. Let us just try to what exactly? Load this one. Important interview question. There was one student, he texted me. Let me show you. Import pandas as PD. Any guessing? Okay, good. Let's try. And here, what is the file name, sir? Dummy or mummy? Dummy. .csv. Test.py. Are you ready? Error. It's not like a empty actually. Error. I mean to say that at least it is accepting some header. If nothing is, I mean to say that first, that's why. In pandas, there is an attribute. That attribute name is called as a empty. What is that attribute name? Empty. Before loading, you have to cross verify. Do you have a data or not actually? If there is no data in a CSV file, what will get, sir? Talk with me. Empty data parser. No columns to parse from the file. At least it is accepting some columns. At least it is accepting what exactly? Some columns actually. Are you guys getting? No, 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 sir. I am sorry. Ignore the discussion. Ignore the discussion. Repeating again. If there is a file, if that file having no data actually, if that file having what exactly? No data. If you're trying to loading that file, we will get an error. Error name is called as a Empty data error. One more time. Empty data error actually. Ensure that this is the new error for you. Even let me discuss the same thing for evening batch also. Even the student also replied empty data frame, but it was not empty data frame. Take this one. A CSV file having no data. Then we will get error as, yeah, yes, boss. Empty data error. Empty data error. Good, all right. Let's move on. Online team, I hope you understand, sir. Now, come on, let's move on. Let's move on. First of all, ignore this discussion. Go back to our discussion. Let me delete the file. File name is a dummy.csv and even test.python file. Let me delete these are all stuff. Good. I hope you know, if you want, let me open iris dataset in a CSV file. Yeah, exactly. Look at this one. Can somebody talk with me? First column name, sepal length. Next one, sepal. Next one, next one. Yeah, though you already know name of the columns, that's what you are responding. But if there is no name of the columns, once the client shared the file, actually, simple. There is a bridge call. Definitely, there is a client call actually. During meeting, we need to inform to the client, hey boss, you are giving the name of the, I mean, you are giving the file, but that file missing the headers actually. Can you please do let me know what is the first column name, second column name, third column name? Then definitely a ticket will be created actually. This one supposed to be noted. This one supposed to be what exactly? Noted actually. Are you guys getting? Good. Sir, I need a response. Good. Now, let me just try to load this. Yeah. Move on to the next step. Good. So the next one is a data preparation. Let's do the data preparation here actually. Name dataset is not defined. Okay, hold on. Invalid index error. Dot LOC. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, you guys are right actually. But let me help you. Invalid index error, right? Take this one and you can just try to search actually. Then it Stack Overflow also, it's supposed to tell the same answer. In pandas, I need from Stack Overflow. Click on this one. Yeah, I hope it helps actually. One minute. I understand how to fix, but let me show you. Yeah. Now the right, provide, take this raw error. Then you can just try to search this. And how to fix this error, Exactly. No doubt at all, sir. We have to use ILOC. What we need to use actually? ILOC. Yeah. Maybe did you remember? I told one point actually. What is that point? During pandas, we can load the data set by using slicing. By using what exactly? Slicing. And by using LOC and ILOC also. Am I right? But in real time, we are using ILOC. Here, what we need to provide any idea? Dataset dot ILOC and dataset dot what exactly? ILOC. Now let us just try to access this one, sir. Valid. Perfect. This question was triggered when this question was asked 5 years back, actually. All right. Good. I need to update the material then. I need to update this document actually. Kindly spare some time. I can update. I hope you understand. Come on, let us move on. Simple, we are trying to loading. So and so requirement actually. It's a very simple. Now please focus on this one. We are just trying to printing this one and we are just trying to printing this one too actually, and you can just try to print that. You will understand. Encoding the flower names. Encoding what exactly? Flower name. Sir, let me tell you. Label encoder. Talk with me. What is this? Class name. What is this one? Class name. Now can somebody talk with me? Sir, first of all, why is what exactly? Target variable. What variable? First of all, the target variable is the kind of some categorical data that is okay, accepted. That is okay, accepted actually. Now this value we can convert into, there are many ways. A label encoder you can apply, one hot encoding you can apply. There are many ways actually. You can just try to come here. What exactly we are applying? We are applying label encoder. Take this one. Can I say we are doing EDA actually, or else data processing? Third step, I would like to say EDA. What we are doing, sir? EDA, or else data processing. Now please look at my screen. We are creating an object. Yeah. And then we need to call a method. What is that method name, sir? Fit method. There are many ways. Otherwise, we can call directly fit underscore transform method also. Am I right? Yeah, good. You have to please make a note on this one. And it seems to be I have given lowercase y variable. And here also I need to give here also lowercase and here also lowercase. Simple, sir. Let me repeat one more time. We are creating an object. Very good. We are creating what exactly? Object name is a label underscore encoder. I hope you already told actually. In a real time, the way of the creating an object variable will be take the name of the class, same actually, and make it all or lowercase. And if there are two words join with underscore symbol, the best practice. In real time, we can create an objects in this way, boss. In this way, this is the best practice. Now, by using this object, we are calling a method. Method name is a fit method. And here we are providing y. You do one thing. You can print why what we are getting. You can try to print actually. Then over this one, you need to call one more thing. What is that one? Transform. Then finally, this is the column we need to use actually. Let me just try to run this. Sir, take small assignment, small. Everyone is anxieting. I mean, I wanted to print this on what happened. You try actually. Now you can just try to move to the next step actually, sir. If you want, you can print this. All right. Can somebody talk with me? How many values? Any idea? Very good. Total how many? 150. First 50 belongs to first type of flower. Next one is respectively like this. Good. I hope you already know. Next one is splitting the data. Next one is what exactly? Splitting the data. Come on. Here onwards, it is very easy for us. Remember one thing. Overall missed today's session. I'm sure they can copy paste this one actually. They will get an error. But I'm sure you know how to fix that error actually. Am I right? But anyway, let me update the material and I can help you. Take this one, sir. Online, what is the count? Okay, most of the students joined over online actually. Let's move on. Let me just try to get this one. We are splitting the data set. Now let us just try to split the data set. Can I say this? What exactly, sir? Splitting the data set. Step number 4. Sir, why not why? Tell me. Categorical data. What data? Let me take a small assignment. Give the why and give a training. What happens? You can cross verify. But you should not provide like that. Let me just try to track this one. Now splitting the data set. Good. So splitting the data set, I hope, let me just try to delete this. Let me take this one. Sriram sir, definitely I can take your point actually, but I mean, I would like to tell one thing. Uh, During interview preparation, I can help you. When should you go for what technique? When should you go for what technique actually? Let's move on. Model creation. Once if you understand these are all steps, other steps are very simple, sir. Step number 5, model creation. One student texted me and he's asking, sir, like in a command prompt, how we are having these steps actually? In Kaggle, I was unable to find. Sir, this you need to prepare. Did you understand? Conclusion of the story. In Kaggle, they will directly give the code actually. These steps we need to separate one by one actually. Don't expect these are all steps from any other website. Let me check. Is that student today he joined or not? I will check actually. Or later. No, sir, he didn't join. Good. Hope you understand. Let us move on. Good. Next one is what exactly? Training. Come on. Quickly you can do actually. Model training. Next one is a model doing prediction actually. Let me do that one. I'm sure by this time till today actually you have to fill. I'm sure you supposed to do these are all steps very easy, sir. No doubt in that. Just you need to know what is algorithm name. That's it. The next one is what exactly, you know? Seventh one is it doing prediction. Yep. Come on. You can check the score. Evaluate prediction. Accuracy score you can call actually. How to evaluate the model by using confusion matrix actually. Even that point I can cover later during project discussion. Sir, maybe the next week, I'm going to cover one ML project actually, machine learning project. Please don't miss the session. I know you guys are not missing. Kindly please maintain the same regularity actually. You can just try to take this one. Print accuracy. Here I'm just trying to formatting the string. You can kindly please walk through what is this. Let's run this one. And now the next one is important. Almost we are getting what exactly, sir? 90% accuracy. 90% accuracy. All right. Seriously, very good. Now let's move on. So the next topic is seriously very, very important. And yesterday regarding XGBoost, actually, I told 2 points. First one is it is an algorithm. And the second one is by using this one, what we can do? We can select the best features. We can select what exactly? Let me show you how to select the best feature. This is the example. Please, I need your focus. Please observe this one. Important features. I mean, selecting a important features by using XGBoost and feature selection. This is also called as a feature selection. I'm repeating again. Even we have worked with one healthcare dataset actually. Inside that dataset, would have a 8 features man. How many features actually? No doubt at all, these are all features ultimately impacting to get target variable, to get what exactly output actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then definitely, let us take a first variable. It is having either it is a strong relation or not with what exactly target variable. With what exactly target variable. Then we need to recognize. Let us take a second feature. Is it having the strong or weak relationship with respect to what exactly, sir? Like this, all variables, which variable is seriously very strong, which variable is seriously very weak, that you can take it out actually. Did you understand? Let me tell you. Finally you came across, out of 8 features only 5 features are good, 3 features are worst actually. You can delete that 3 features. You can delete actually. Guys, are you getting what I'm talking? Good. Let me tell you, this is called as a selecting the best features. This is called as what exactly? Selecting the best features. By using algorithm we can select actually. See, if you really wanted to select the best feature, domain expertise required. Have you gone through lasso and ridge regression? Out of 21 columns, we have taken only 15 columns. Who told you actually? Domain expert told you. But instead of, I don't know any domain expert actually, then use this algorithm. Use what exactly, sir? This algorithm. Are you getting? Remain, are you getting? Good. Let me explain this example very simple. Please understand this. Please observe this one. Take this example. I hope I already copied, sir. Yeah, I copied actually. More to the next one. Uh, Important feature selection. Important feature selection by using XG boost algorithm. Good. Let me show you how to do this one. Come on very quickly. I just wanted to show you these are all steps in one shot actually. First of all, XG boost feature selection by using XG boost actually. Importing the libraries. I hope you already know. Talk with me, sir. What are libraries we are importing actually? The first one is a NumPy, next one is a XGBoost, next one is Matplotlib. For why? Very good. Visualization. We can see. Oh, hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you the cinema actually. Diagram. Seriously, very good. Conclusion of the story. Total, how many features did you remember? 8 features. How many features? 8 features. Sir, look at my screen. First feature, just it is giving how much it is, not that much. It is not that much having good relationship with the target variable. But look at the screen actually. Second variable is seriously very good. What is the second variable? Any idea? Glucose value. What value? First one is a how many kids, how many times the ma'am carried actually, something like that. The third variable, next variable. I mean to say that these are all okay. There are top 3 variable, this variable having strong relationship with the target variable. This is seriously very good. Damn sure interview question. Generally, once you are getting the data set from the client, first you need to plot this one. Why? You will understand which variable having a best example, sir. Let us take my brother. If I call you, If I call to my brother, he can pick very quickly. Why? Because their bond is very strong actually. But if you call, he may not respond also. Conclusion of the story, this variable having what exactly? Strong relationship with target. Tell me with what exactly? Target. But this variable having what exactly? Weak relationship. Of course, it is involving, but not that much, importance actually. You need to understand this one. How to get these are all scores? First of all, let me show you. One by one, I will help you. We can check correlation. Correlation also we can check actually. But instead of that one, you can use this one also. So good. You still remember the correlation topic. Yeah. Now let me load the data set. Let me just try to load this one. Come on. Sir, I'm using function. Then what is the return type? What is output? Any idea? Array. Good. If the return type is an array, you can just try directly use the splitting the data set is a very easy. Can I say this what exactly? Not splitting the data preparation. This what exactly, sir? Data preparation. What happens, sir? Data set dot. Did you guys understand? Previously, if it is array, that's what I told. If it is array, it is okay. But if it is a data frame, then .ilc is required. That point I already told actually. Did you understand? Good, very good. Now create the model very quickly. I would like to say create the model. Something is missing. What is that one? Data preparation, right? No. Splitting the data. That is okay. Let us make it as an optional. Splitting the data. We are making splitting the data set. I would like to say, as of now, I would like to make it optional. Now the next step is a model creation. What is the next step? Model creation. Yeah, good man. Now the next one is a model training. Sir, once after the training is done, then only you can apply this. Rohit, you have asked one question, multi-model, something like that. I will answer. Kindly hold on. Model training. Back to back, I'm working, sir. Office actually. Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training. Nice. These are all very nice steps actually. Now I have a question for you. Get ready. Sir, any idea what is this? Yeah, there inside model, there is an attribute. Attribute name is called as a feature underscore importances underscore. Whenever you are calling this one, inside of this X, how many features are available? For every feature, it will bring the score. For every feature, it will bring what exactly, sir? Score actually. That point you need to understand. It is bringing the score. Repeating one more time, it is bringing the score actually. First feature score is this one. And second feature score is this one. Third feature score is this one. Third feature is seriously worst, man. Where is the third feature? Yeah, very small actually. Oh, this one is very small. Then one, this is the first feature score. Almost the value is the 10% actually. Second feature is what exactly, sir? 24%. 24%. Next one is a 0.08 actually. 0. What exactly? 08. Next one is a 0.07. Next one is 0.10. 0. What? This feature and this feature having maybe brothers, I guess. Am I right? Yeah. Good. Keep in mind that it is providing the feature score. Let me call that. It is returning array. It is returning what exactly? Array of, yeah, very good. You guys kindly please walk through 0.7, 26 based on the model what we have created actually. Now it was created the feature. Now, hey Daniel, what can I do? Can I create a visualization? You can create, sir. To create a visualization, what exactly I'm doing, first of all, total how many actually? 8 features, right? I'm creating a range of 8 values. Why? Because on x-axis, I just wanted to plot 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you understand? Good. I'm just trying to creating range of just length actually. Just length. I hope the length will be uh, 8 actually. Next one will be this is I'm directly assigning to one variable. Can somebody talk with me? What is the type? Array. What is the type actually? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Then pyplot dot bar x-axis. Over the x-axis, I am plotting how many number of features. For every respective feature, there is a y value actually. That y value you can get it from here actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. Come on. You can just try to execute this example. Sorry, man. You can run this example. Now you can see visualization. You can see what exactly? Visualization. Just try to see. No doubt at all, sir. There is a one feature which is the top three features. First one, second one, and third one actually. Second feature. Hold on. Go back and go to the description. The description. Feature name. What is the first one actually? Can I say the glucose? Can I say what exactly, sir? Glucose. Glucose having seriously very strong relationship. Glucose plays important role to recognize having diabetes or not. Glucose plays important role to recognize having what exactly? Diabetes or not. Then next one, last one, two, three. And can somebody talk with me? One, two, three. BMI also, body mass index. I mean to say that. One, two, three. Body mass index also. Are you guys getting? And next one will be age also somewhat okay. Age also factor. Age also seriously factor. Am I right? And remaining all it is okay. What is the first one? I hope you already know this role. Sir, did you understand? Like this, what we can do, till now, what are all data sets I have given? Kindly please apply like this actually. You can literally feel amazing. Oh, that's it, I guess. That's it, I guess. Sir, a short session today. I have some faculty meeting. Maybe I can end up the session now. Tomorrow I can continue. Kindly hold on. Let me upload the material. I need to upload data sets also. I need to upload what exactly? 2 data sets. Yeah, please. If anyone is having any questions, you can text me. Maybe now I may not spend with you. Yeah, I already uploaded the material. Sir, in material .ilc you need to give actually. Otherwise, I can help you with updated material. If you're expert, actually, you can please proceed. SSD 530 machine learning. Not running nodes, I guess. Running nodes. Next one is 2 datasets. 2 datasets. You can just try to zip and share. Sir, you have to unzip and you have to give that file name actually. Whenever you're loading. Hold on, taking some time. Yeah, all right. Uh, Everything is fine. Did I miss anything? No. Thank you. We're done for today's session. I'm sorry, a short session. I do have some meeting actually. Arthi, you can ping me. Very good. This is the good question. Sriram sir, there is no threshold value, but let me tell you which feature is really giving good one that we need to use actually. But on an average, I would like to say minimum 50 plus percent. Minimum 50 plus percent actually. All right. We're done. We're done for today's session. Thank you.